Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Newperseverance product. So as you can see right here, that is basically a fan for your neck. So it's basically shaped like a headphone, and you just strap it around your neck or just wear it on your neck. And basically there are two fans on the side which helps you cool your head and your body. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when it's worn. So if you're wondering if this is legit or not, if this is actually a good product, let's head on over here to malware tips. And as you can see, this is a scam. As you can see, they'll go over how they operate. So you have 4 outcomes. So one outcome would be to receive nothing at all when you order from them. Another one would be to receive knockoff or inferior substitutes. You can also receive used or damaged or tampered goods. And you can also receive completely wrong items. So as you can see, they go over how the scam operates. So step 1 is always social media advertising, then the illusion of a real e-commerce store, then fake order confirmations, failure to deliver ordered items, and then refusal to issue refunds, and then basically they just rinse and repeat and make a lot of money out of it. So please do not buy this product. As you can see from the website itself, it is a very poorly made website, and it also raises a lot of red flags. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.